busy little garage at the moment. Check out this next project I got. So, client is replacing stock stickers on the Fox with gold to match the Kashima. So I'm pulling all that off. Then we're going to pull off some protective film and match that and get these triangles covered in a matte protective film. Hang tight, let's see how this goes. And this is a very soft sticker. Just keeps kind of fracturing and not coming off. Stickers off. Now to put on the new one and line it up. So check this out. That's a little spacer sticker they give you. This is from Silk Graphics too. I didn't order this. Client ordered this, and these are pretty cool. So set that in place, and then take the 3, fit the base of it above there. Looks pretty cool. Makes me wish I had a mountain bike. Cool little stickers. So this client was wanting to remove some film, protective film that's on top of the top tube. These films are all different adhesives and whatnot, but what I've learned from my bike as well is that if you do have some film on a certain part of the bike and it's not on another piece, you can have UV fade or darkening on the unprotected side. So looking at his right now, this is what we see. There is where the film used to be, and you can see the difference. And now I've got to clean that off, and then I'm just going to put another protective film on top of that.